Okay, so I'm here with Brian. Brian, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Thanks, Mark, for giving me the time. So I'm Brian GALICIA. I manage the U.S. technical sales team across the U.S. for what we refer to as the CTM segment, corporate territory managed accounts, which we have about 17,000 across the U.S.
Excellent. So in the Dynamics suite, where's your focus?
Yeah, so in Dynamics CRM, it's everything. So it's not just core CRM, sales, service, marketing, but also Dynamics marketing, social listening, and Parature. So I have a team of 4 people that covers the entire U.S. that ranges from west, central, and east, and we have two of our resources focused on Dynamics marketing and 2 resources focused on Parature.
Excellent. So how long have you been in the Dynamics space?
Yeah, so I've been in Dynamics for 6 of the 7 years I've been at Microsoft. So I've been in Microsoft back in 2006. I came from SAP, and prior to that I was at a company called Onyx Software, which was a mid-market CRM solution out in the Northwest, Pacific Northwest.
Fantastic. So in the last couple of days, we've heard some exciting announcements about particularly customer care and engagement. What are your thoughts?
Well, I think it's fantastic. I think when you think about our core CRM solution, we've had an opportunity in the area there with, if you're familiar with CCA, Customer Care Accelerator. Now we've actually productized that, so you saw in potential demonstrations, or if you get to see the replay, you'll see things like the Unified Service Desk. And then with acquisition Parature, it now provides this really centralized customer contact center that really provides the insight for people to not only do self-service, but allow an agent on the backside to then interact with you regardless of channel, so chat, web, portal, email, or phone.
Excellent. So you've been along to a few of these events, Convergence. Tell us why they're important for partners to attend.
Yeah, I think from a partner perspective, this is such an amazing place where you can meet not only just the ISVs that can help you sell more, but you get to meet product people, you get to meet sellers, you get to meet customers, and understand how they're consuming Dynamics. Not just from if you're a CRM partner, you get that perspective, but you also get to understand AX partners or GP partners, SL partners, NAV partners, and with the broad ecosystem with Dynamics, you also now get exposed to Office 365 with Yammer, with SharePoint, and even the Windows devices. If you walk around, it's not just Dynamics. It is one Microsoft, where, as you've seen with Satya Nadella, who's our new CEO, really focused on how do we provide devices and services organization, but just provide it in a centralized one Microsoft perspective.
Fantastic. And then from the customer's perspective, why should a customer, if you like, travel across from Australia all the way to Convergence to an event like this?
Yeah, I think the biggest thing is networking. I think if you are a customer, and thank you for your business, if you are a Dynamics customer or you're thinking about being a Dynamics customer, I think events like this really provide you the opportunity to meet with other people and not just understand what they're doing, but even prospects who are coming here and trying to make a decision, because they could be like you. They could be saying, hey, I'm evaluating other vendors, and that we want that. We want you to make a decision that you feel good about, that allows you to make it the best choice. And we believe, I'm personally biased, of course, to choose Dynamics, but we want to show you that. We want to be able to articulate that, have you have that conversation. And so being here, whether you travel almost 3,000 miles across the Pacific Ocean to come here, we would love to have that interaction and engagement with you.
Yeah, fantastic. And in closing, anything you want to add?
Yeah, I think in closing is just continue to follow us on crm.dynamics.com. If you're a social follower, follow at MS Dynamics CRM, and stay tuned for additional announcements, because one of the things that you may have seen is that within Dynamics and broad Microsoft, our cadence of innovation is rapidly progressing. So you're going to see innovation come more frequently, and not to say you have to immediately adopt it, but you can at least be exposed to it, and if you're in the cloud, you can immediately take advantage of it. If you're on premises, you can make the choice, but at least you know the innovation we're coming with devices, with social, with big data, that's all coming in to where Dynamics is a big part of that. So I appreciate your time.
Thanks, Brian.
Thank you much.